Welcome back, students. Let's discuss something new, the properties of rhombus in this video. In this video, I will discuss the properties of a rhombus. Students, keep in mind that every rhombus is a parallelogram. Any figure which has four sides is called a quadrilateral, and if in any figure opposite pair of sides is equal and parallel, then it is called parallelogram. And what is the difference between rhombus and parallelogram? In rhombus, all the sides are equal. This is our first property. In rhombus, all sides are equal, just like a square. It means we have AB equal to BC equal to CD equal to DA. All these sides are equal. Second property is opposite sides of rhombus are parallel. Both pair of opposite sides of the rhombus are parallel. What does this imply? That AB is parallel to CD and BC is parallel to AD. So we will write here AB parallel to CD and AD parallel to BC. Now we will discuss the third property relating to the diagonals. First of all, I will draw the diagonals of this figure. Join AC and then join BD. AC and BD are the two diagonals of this rhombus. Property related to diagonals is that diagonals of rhombus bisect each other. And we will make an addition in this point. Diagonals of rhombus bisect each other at right angles. So students, mark this. It is very important property which makes a rhombus different from a parallelogram. What does this property mean? That these are the two diagonals of the rhombus. Let they intersect at O. This property implies that the diagonals bisect each other, means AO will be equal to OC and OD will be equal to OB. But one additional point is there. All these will make right angles at center. All these angles will be 90 degree. AOC, AOB, BOC, BOD, mark this point as O. So I will write here, this property implies that, third property implies that AO will be equal to OC. In this figure, OB will be equal to OD. Plus one addition is there, all these angles at center are 90 degree. It means angle AOB equal to BOC equal to COD equal to DOA. All these angles will be 90 degree. The diagonals of rhombus bisect at right angles. Now fourth property is opposite angles of rhombus are equal. Opposite angles of rhombus are equal. What does this imply? This implies that this angle A will be equal to angle C and angle B will be equal to angle D. A equal to C and angle B equal to angle D. Now we will do property number 5. Sum of Adjacent angles. Adjacent are also called co-interior angles. So property is sum of adjacent angles of rhombus is 180 degree. This point I have discussed in properties of parallelogram also in my last video. So it means angle A plus angle B, these are adjacent angles because they are on the same line. A and B are the 2 points of the same line segment. So angle A plus angle B will be equal to 180 degree. Angle B plus angle C will be equal to 180 degree. Angle C plus angle D will be equal to 180 degree. And angle D plus angle A will be equal to 180 degree. Means any two adjacent angles, whether these are A and B, B and C, C and D or D and A, the sum of pair of adjacent angles is 180 degree. Next, sixth property is sum of all angles of rhombus is 360 degree. Students, keep in mind sum of all angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degree, whether it is a rhombus, parallelogram, square or rectangle. It doesn't matter. If it has 4 sides, then the sum of all interior angles will be 360 degree. Now I will tell you 2 more important points. First point is diagonals of rhombus are not equal. दोनों डायगोनल्स कभी भी इक्वल नहीं होंगे. Just see here, AC is bigger than BD. Two diagonals can never be equal. Second property is, point is, every rhombus is a parallelogram. Every rhombus is a parallelogram, but every parallelogram is not a rhombus. Students, in parallelogram, opposite pair of sides are equal, and parallel in rhombus also, opposite sides are parallel and equal. So every rhombus is a parallelogram, but every rhombus cannot be a parallelogram because in rhombus all 4 sides are equal, but in parallelogram only opposite pairs of sides are equal. So students, this is all in this video. I hope you must have well understood the properties of a rhombus. Thank you. Do not forget to subscribe to watch more videos.